this video, I'm going to show you how to make a text wavy in Canva. On the Editors tool, click on Text and then select the text format you want to use. Enter a text and highlight the text and then click on Effects at the top of your Editors page. Scroll down on the drop-down of options and select Curve under Shape and adjust the curve level to the way you want it to be. Next step is to duplicate the text and then highlight and click on Effect again. Go down to Curve and under Shape and adjust the curve level to the opposite direction and then adjust the curve level too. Then merge the two texts together and you will have a wavy text effect on your design. And that's about it. That's how to make a text wavy in Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.